Lava lamp experiment materials: water, oil, food coloring, and effervescent tablets. Procedure: fill a clear container with water and oil, add a few drops of food coloring, and then drop in an effervescent tablet. Watch as it creates a mesmerizing lava lamp effect. Baking soda and vinegar volcano materials: baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, and a container. Procedure: shape the container to look like a volcano, add baking soda and food coloring, and pour vinegar to create a foamy eruption. Non-Newtonian fluid, oobleck, materials: cornstarch, water, food coloring. Procedure: mix cornstarch and water until it forms a thick, goopy texture. Show how it behaves as a solid under force and flows like a liquid when handled gently. Magic milk materials: milk, food coloring, dish soap, and a shallow dish. Procedure: pour milk into the dish, add drops of food coloring, and then touch the milk with a dish soap-coated cotton swab. The colors will swirl and mix in surprising patterns.